Good morning students. Memory allocation of pointers. So there are two methods to allocate the memory. First one we call it as static memory allocation. Second one we call it as dynamic memory allocation. Static memory allocation means memory is allocated during the compilation of a program. So there are two stages in a program. One is compilation and execution. Static memory allocation means while we are compiling the program, we will allocate the memory. So if we give like this, memory will be allocated. This is for integer. Integer means 2 bytes of memory will be there. Float means 4 bytes of memory will be there. Next one is dynamic memory allocation. Dynamic memory allocation. What do you mean by dynamic memory allocation means? Memory is allocated. Memory is allocated at execution time or runtime. Means when we are executing the program, we are going to allocate the memory. Memory is allocated during execution time or runtime. That we call it as dynamic memory allocation. So in order to allocate the memory, in order to allocate memory dynamically, allocate memory dynamically, we use new operator. We use new operator. Which operator is used to allocate the memory dynamically? Okay. So for example, int asterisk p. P is equal to new int. What do you mean by this is? I'll just explain you, listen. First I am telling that I need memory with the help of new. Immediately I'll tell how much amount of memory is needed. When I create a new memory, its address I am going to assign to a variable called p. What is p, ma'am? P means it's a pointer variable. If the new memory location is integer, this pointer variable, which will contain address of newly created memory, also should be integer. Once again I am telling, new ante memory allocate chestamandi. Immediately we will tell how much amount of memory I need. That memory location address we will store in p. What is p, ma'am? It is a pointer variable. What data type we should write? Here, new which data type? That data type only we should write. Finished. They'll ask, what is the operator? Give the example and syntax. This is the example. Syntax I am writing here. Data type asterisk variable name. What variable? Pointer variable name. Variable name down. Variable name is equal to variable name is equal to new. So you should write new. After new, what is there? Data type is there. That only you should write. Data type. Data type. Okay. Semicolon is must after every statement. Once again I am telling, dynamic memory allocation means memory is allocated at the execution time or runtime. In order to allocate the memory, we will use an operator called new operator. This is the syntax. Data type asterisk variable name semicolon. Variable name is equal to new data type semicolon. So new means we need memory. How much amount of memory? That address will store in p. P asterisk. Asterisk ante p can store only memory address. It can store data. This data type, what it is, same should be the data type of pointer variable. Okay. So now, one more important thing called free store. Free store. Free store means pool of unallocated memory. Pool of unallocated memory. Okay. So memory is a place where we store data. Now if I need memory, I'll take from free store. My memory I used, now add that memory to the free store. That we call it as free store. Okay. So dynamic memory allocation can be done from free store. Dynamic, it's very easy students, it is not at all tough. Dynamic memory allocation can be done from free store. Ante we want free store. We want memory. From where we are getting memory? From free store. Okay, that we wrote here. Once again, dynamic memory allocation means memory allocation at runtime or execution time. In order to allocate the memory, we'll use an operator called new operator. Okay. Now this is the example. This is the syntax. From free store, we'll allocate the memory. What is free store? Pool of unallocated memory. We call it as free store. Okay. Here we told dynamic memory allocation. No? So dynamic memory deallocation can be done. Means allocation means we are going to allocate memory. Dynamic memory. This is repeatedly asked question, students. Dynamic memory deallocation can be done using delete operator. With the help of delete operator, we can deallocate the memory. Delete operator. Memory allocation with the new operator, memory deallocation with the help of delete operator. So how we are going to write delete operator? Delete, D-E-L-E-T-E, delete. How many locations we will mention here? P, address. Or you can write syntax like this, delete. And we'll tell how many locations to be deleted and pointer variable name. This is syntax. We'll mention the pointer variable here ended with semicolon. I'll tell you one thing once again, students. Here new memory we reserved. Okay, new memory we created. That address we stored in P. Now I don't want this memory location means delete of P I will give. What I created only I am going to delete, students. So if they ask you explain the dynamic memory allocation means you are going to explain this. You are going to write down. So some more examples you can write. Answer shouldn't be short, but these are the major points. Okay. Thank you.